In Lab 2 and 3, you're going to need to be able to uncompress and compress files. And this is something that you'll need throughout the term as we get bigger and bigger files to upload. It has a format of kind of packaging files together so they can be moved as one file or one folder. So I use a product called 7-Zip, which is free. It works for some files that the regular Windows zip won't work with, but for this first lab, for Lab 2 and 3, if you when you go into Moodle, you're going to see a file that's for Lab 3 called LCC PondZip, and I'm actually just going to throw that one away. And what you'll do is you'll click on that, and I usually choose, instead of open, I choose save file because I don't really want to open the file. I want to have the whole folder. So I save the file, and then you can take your file and drag it to your desktop, and then sometimes you can double click and open the file, but it's best to actually uncompress the file. So I'd like you to get in the habit of doing that. So I right click my mouse and I go to extract all, and then I can choose where I want this file to be sent. And because I already have a copy of that, I'm going to put this as, okay, so now I'm going to say extract it there. And you can see here it goes. There's the uncompressed file. So I'm going to open that, and then if I double click that, that should automatically launch Google Earth, and it does. So for some reason you cannot upload a KML file in Moodle. It will corrupt it. So that's why you need to be able in Lab 4 to zip those files and upload them just as you do upload your Word documents. So what you'll have in Lab 4 then should be a folder with your name on it. And in that folder you'll probably have 2 KML files. And so I'm just going to drag that one for demonstration purposes. So you're going to have 2 KML files in that folder, and to zip it, if you have 7-Zip, I just click here and say add to archive, and then I choose the zip format. Or you can right click and choose send to compression. And so if you haven't downloaded 7-Zip, then that's probably the one that will be available to you. And so there is the zip folder with the zipper, and that's what you'll need to upload.